ka punta? Ito si Juan. Jomar, saan ka punta?
LA. LA, sabi mo.
Disney, ito yun.
Jomar. Happy Jomar? Punta ko ng Disneyland, Jomar. Sabi mo, Jomar, hello. Nasaan yung plane, Jomar? Saan? Turo mo nga.
Ito, dito. Sakay tayo plane eh.
Talaga, Jomar.
Hey, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Flight Tech. We'd like to add our welcome aboard JetBlue Flight 677 to LA. My name is Tim Renner. I'm your first officer. I'll be flying us west. I'm with our Captain Rod Pavlovsky. We'll be pushing off the gate here shortly. However, ATC has informed us that there is a little bit of a delay pushing off due to flow control, they call it. So we're looking at about 10 to 15 minutes. We're going to try and get out of here earlier, but as of right now, it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes of a wait before you do push off the gate. Once airborne, 5 hours, 19 minutes. Should be pretty nice rides headed west. However, there's a bit of weather over the central part of the country where we may get some bumps, so we ask you please pay attention to that seatbelt sign. Latest weather out of LA. Temperatures, well, actually forecasted weather for LA. Temperatures will be in the 60s, light winds out of the west. Not too scattered clouds. Thanks for joining us. We'll be on the way shortly.
Today's April 6th. Spring break. Jomar, ano gawa mo dyan, Jomar?
Stop, Jomar. O, stop. Buluhan siya. Okay?
Pasibay ka na, Jomar.
Okay na. Ibalik mo na nga para wala na.
Tanggal na.